Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest in wearable technology. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the Garmin Venu Square 2. This exceptional smartwatch is the perfect blend of style, functionality, and fitness tracking. Features of the Garmin Venu SQ2. Let's dive into the features that make the Garmin Venu Square 2 stand out. Sleek design. The Garmin Venu Square 2 boasts a sleek and modern design that looks great on your wrist, whether you're working out or heading to the office. Vibrant display. It features a vibrant color display that's easy to read even in bright sunlight, providing you with clear visuals at all times. Health and fitness tracking. This smartwatch is your fitness companion. It offers advanced health and fitness tracking features, including heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, stress tracking, and more. Built-in GPS. With built-in GPS, you can accurately track your outdoor activities like running and cycling, and leave your phone behind. Music streaming. Enjoy your favorite tunes on the go with music streaming support. You can even sync your playlists from popular music apps. Smart notifications. Stay connected without reaching for your phone. Receive smart notifications for calls, texts, emails, and app alerts right on your wrist. Long battery life. The Garmin Venu Square 2 boasts an impressive battery life, ensuring that it's ready for your adventures without constant recharging. Sports apps. It comes preloaded with various sports apps, making it easy to track your workouts and set fitness goals. Uses of the Garmin Venu SQ2. So, how can you make the most of your Garmin Venu Square 2? Fitness tracking. Use it to track your daily activity, steps, and calories burned. The heart rate monitor provides valuable insights into your workouts. Outdoor adventures. Whether you're hiking, biking, or running, the built-in GPS helps you navigate and track your routes accurately. Sleep monitoring. Gain a better understanding of your sleep patterns with comprehensive sleep monitoring. Use the data to improve your sleep quality. Smartwatch functions. Stay organized with calendar, weather, and notification features. Control your music and even make payments on the go. Health insights. Monitor your stress levels and keep an eye on your overall well-being with health insights and reminders. In conclusion, the Garmin Venu Square 2 is more than just a smartwatch, it's your daily companion for a healthier and more connected life. With its sleek design, fitness tracking capabilities, and smart features, it's a must-have for those who want it all on their wrist. Thank you for joining us to discover the Garmin Venu Square 2. If you found this video informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and sharing it with others who are interested in the latest in wearable technology. Until next time, stay connected and stay active with the Garmin Venu Square 2.